In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play with friends on GTA 5 Online, PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As it stands today, you are actually able to play with a friend who is on PlayStation 4, even if you are on a PlayStation 5 or vice versa. However, there is a limitation to this. So, you won't be able to play the PlayStation 5 version of GTA 5 Online with someone who is running the PlayStation 4 version of GTA 5 Online. What you have to do instead is make sure that on your PlayStation 5 you are running the old gen GTA 5 Online. So when you go over to GTA 5 and you choose the options menu, you will be able to go over to more options and choose to downgrade to old gen. Don't worry, your progress will not be lost. You will still be able to play the GTA 5 PlayStation 5 version. However, for you to play with someone who is on a PlayStation 4, both of you need to run the PlayStation 4 version. So whoever is on a PlayStation 5 needs to go over to more options and switch the game over to the old version. When they do this, you will be able to connect to online just like you would. So enter online with any character that you have, go over to the session here, and you will be able to invite a friend and join them. You will be able to find them under the online category or the friends tab, as long as you have them added on your PlayStation Network friends list. From here, just select them and choose the option to invite if they are online. So like I said, the most important thing is that whoever is playing on the PlayStation 5 needs to go over to more options and downgrade their version to PlayStation 4. As long as both of you are running the PlayStation 4 version of GTA 5, you will be good to go to play online together on the same session. I hope I was able to help you on how to play with friends on GTA 5 Online, PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.